Welcome learners to this final video of your course on structural geology practicals at a basic level, and this video is nothing but formal instructions for your final examination on structural geology practicals. Okay, so during your exam obviously some points you have to keep in your mind. Obviously the first thing is the total time for your exam is your 3 hours, that is 180 minutes, and followed by that you have to keep in mind that there will be different types of question in your question paper. That will be obviously, that is means you will be looking into your computer screens during your final examination. So, your question type, about your question type, you have multiple choice questions, you have multiple select questions, you have numerical answer type questions as well as alphanumerical answer type questions. And obviously the questions would be based on theoretical understanding, and all the practical exercises that we have repeatedly discussed. We have done several exercises on several types of problems. So, you have to keep those techniques, you have to think about the theoretical understanding as well as the different type of demonstrations that we have carried out during our tenure of this course. So, you have to keep those instructions as well as different kinds of methods in your obviously to your understanding in your mind. You have to keep that, and definitely if you keep that, you would be able to answer all the question in a means you can say within the stipulated time. And during your exam, do carry a geometry box along with you during your exam, and most importantly that geometry box or your means you can say the essentials that would be required for your exams are definitely a set of pencils. Means you can carry obviously some erasers along with your pencil. Apart from that, some scale, sharpener, protractor, set squares, divider, and obviously a compass as well. So, it is better to carry at least 2 pencils, 2 scales, 2 sharpeners, 2 protractors like this, so that you can have a backup of every means essential item that are required during your exam. And there will be 3 sections in total in your question paper. The first section will have all the questions that are of only 1 mark. The second section will have all the questions that are of 2 mark, and in the final section, for that you have to do some preliminary exercises based on the methodologies that you have already learned, and then only you will be finally will be able to answer the questions that are mentioned in section 3. So, it is better to be a little fast in section 1 and 2, so that you get the required time for applying the methodology that are definitely useful to finally extract the answer out of the questions that are mentioned in section 3. So, finally I wish you good luck for your final examinations. Thank you.